Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make Hyderabadi Khajoor with wheat flour. For this, take 1.5 cups of wheat flour. To this, add half a cup of semolina, that is sooji or Rava, half teaspoon of baking soda, half cup of cane sugar or jaggery, a pinch of cardamom powder, and 2 teaspoons of ghee. Give everything a nice mix. Once it is mixed well like this, you have to add water little by little and start kneading. Don't add excess water and make the dough soft. The dough should be little thick like this. The dough is ready. Let us leave this for 10 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, the dough would have become a little soft. Let us roll this now. You have to roll it thick. 1 inch thickness will be fine. Let us cut this into small pieces. You can shape it as you like. It can be a square, rectangle, circle or a diamond. Our shaped khajoors are ready. You have to fry them in hot oil and in medium flame. Once they turn golden brown, it would have turned crispy. You can take it out. This will be crispy outside and will be soft inside. Do give a try. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe the channel.